If you want to make a square selection in Gimp, you're in the right place. This is a super quick and useful trick, especially when you need a perfect square for cropping, editing, thumbnails, icons, or clean design work. And the best part is, once you know this method, you can do it in just a few seconds every time. If this video helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button, and make sure to subscribe for more easy Gimp tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Gimp and make sure you have your image ready. To create a square selection, you'll want to use the Rectangle Select tool. You can pick it from the toolbox or simply press R on your keyboard. That will activate the selection tool right away. Now look over to the Tool Options panel. This is where the important setting is. Find the box labeled Fixed Aspect Ratio and check it on. This tells Gimp that you want the selection to stay locked to a specific shape instead of resizing freely in any direction. Once that option is enabled, click into the ratio box and type 1:1. This means the width and height will always be equal, which creates a perfect square. If you enter anything else, like 4:3 or 16:9, you'll get a rectangle instead of a square, so make sure it says 1:1. After that, go back to your image and click and drag on the canvas. As you drag, Gimp will keep the selection perfectly square. You can move your mouse around until the box is the exact size and position you want. When it looks right, just release the mouse button, and your square selection is ready. If you need to adjust it, don't worry, you can simply click and drag again to make a new one, or move the selection depending on what you're doing next. This method is really handy because it gives you precise control without having to guess or manually measure anything. And that's all there is to it. Using the Rectangle Select tool, enabling Fixed Aspect Ratio, and typing in 1:1 is the fastest way to make a square selection in Gimp. It's simple, reliable, and perfect for beginners. If this tutorial helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.